Engathi uyanya nje unyanisile. I am teaching her to make money, how to make money. And the skill here, let me be specific. I am teaching her how to make money out of events management or hosting events. It's a skill. Excuse the nail, I was doing washing. But you are right. You are absolutely right. And another thing I am teaching her is how to build a network. Kune network engafuni umntanam abe around yona. This is me as a mother. And I can tell you, I don't want my child wisekile your mama that are here being toxic and bullying a child or bullying me for that matter. Event eplanwa ngumntanam. By the way, it was her idea. Ndiyanibona nje nibhuda nisithi she's a very smart child. And so I genuinely don't want your kids around my kids. Like in this bonisile, that's why you can't afford to be there.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you're subscribed and also do like the video. So listen you guys, I was looking at my analytics and Batiga YouTube says that a lot of you are watching without subscribing, and I think a lot of you are thinking that if you subscribe you will pay. No, you don't pay. You only pay if you join as a member. Subscribing is free, so please lift your hand. And then with that one finger, the one that you point at people when you gossip about them, that finger, press subscribe. Okay, when the word turns to subscribed, then you've done the right thing. Do that with every video you watch on YouTube. Don't watch people's videos without subscribing. Anyway, you guys, listen. So Queen Nandi, should I say her followers, were kind of dragging her this time because they are saying that she's using her daughter to make money. Uliza, who is the firstborn Queen Nandi, there was this poster that was going around where she's going to be hosting a pens down event. So you know pens down when the kids are done with exams and they have this big party. In South Africa, those parties don't have good history because things will be doing the wrong thing, things there, and sometimes there will be accidents and then people going missing and some people coming back molested or something. So I hope this one is not going to be like that. And obviously she's hosting, I think the price is like 550 per person, you know. And so people are saying that this is probably something that is planned by Nandi and she's using her child to make money. And listen, you guys, that family needs money. So I don't know what is wrong with that. The thing is, you guys, Mina, I am of the belief that if you do a reality show, any kind of a reality show, if you make several appearances on a reality show and you are in front of like millions of people basically on TV, you know, after doing that, you should use that opportunity. Use it any way that you can use it to make money, because I do feel like in reality TV, it comes with a lot of negativity. You deal with a lot, all of the talks and attacks online, all of the bullying, all of the body shaming, and so to walk away from a reality show and your life has not changed, it should not be accepted. With all of the negativity that you need to deal with when you are doing a reality show, you should at least, you know, eat something from it, okay? Get some fruits from being in a reality show. And it should not just happen once, for years after doing the reality show. So I do think that Uliza is at the right age where she can use that opportunity. Of course, you guys, this is something that can still be managed by her mom because she is young, you know, just to make sure that she's not exploited, and also she is taking care of that money. Maybe raising money to go to varsity next year, because remember she said she wants to go to UCT. Now, the only thing that would be wrong with this situation, you guys, it would be if Nandi is the one planning this event, but the money doesn't benefit Uliza. That would be the only thing that would be wrong there. If Nandi just takes the money and keeps the money for herself, okay? I don't know what the rules are in South Africa when it comes to kids being on a reality show or making money, like the parents making money with putting the kids on social media. But I've watched some American videos where they say that you are required to keep that money in a trust, and then when a child is over 18, they can access it, and you are allowed to use that money on a child's education. For an example, maybe the child is going to college or university, but the money that is made by the child should, take care of the child's needs. So the parents can't put the kids on a TV show or on social media and then they gain. Because if you take that money and pay the bond, for an example, that's not a responsibility, Lisa. If you take that money and pay rent, if you take that money and buy food for the family, that is not a responsibility, Lisa. That's a responsibility of the parents. However, if the money goes straight to Lisa, whether if she's allowed to get it now or it waits until she's over 18 and gets it, there's nothing wrong with this. I don't see anything wrong. But you guys, I want to hear you in the comment section what you're saying, because over there on TikTok and Facebook, they were saying that Nandi should not do that. Okay, she should be the one that is making money, not her child. Okay. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in internet.